checking if your Stockx tag is fake. It's pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can properly check if your Stockx tag is fake or real. So for that, there are some website. As you guys can see, this is the website. You just need to visit some website, or you can also Google it, fake versus real tags of Stockx, and you'll be able to see these websites. Now here, this is written in detail. As you guys can see, this is the real and this is the fake. As you guys can see, the tag should be new, and this is how the fake tag should look. As you guys can see, the bumped up text is not fully colored with the white color, but the authentic one is there. And here you will be able to see the difference between these bumps. As you guys can see, it have a mini bump in it and fully colored. But here, as you guys can see, the paint is a bit off. The font is not perfect. So these are the small details that you can simply Google it, and you'll be able to find the photos. Compare your Stockx tag if it's authentic or not. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.